When I'm not rooster cruising and making idiotic ramblings, I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just got through juggling trullers. Put this one right here on the road. For sale. That's correct. It's a 2019 Kaufman 50-foot, 3-car Wedge. She is for sale. Got a kingpin, a 5th wheel pin box in it now. We have a gooseneck box to put in it. We just got through locking the toolbox here. We got all the new straps to go with it, which ties down 3 cars. So it's 12 straps total. The chains do not go. I'm keeping the chains and binders because you don't need one of this trailer anyway. The straps got 12 straps there, enough to tie down 3 cars. I did the upgrade wire mesh in it, in the floor here. So you have your blocks, step ladders, spare tire, which we have a new spare tire. Just took it out to keep somebody from stealing it. But yes, it's a fantastic trailer. Only was used for like 2 months. Got brand new rubber, good brake seals. Everything's good. She's ready to go. Fresh DOT on it. She's ready to work. You go walk around here. I just took the ramps out to keep somebody from stealing them. All LED lights. I got the upgraded mesh, so those straps just go in the loop over the tire. Real quick, easy tie down. So it's a nice little trailer there for somebody. Price, we got it priced out here for $89.50 because of my upgraded ramps and stuff. Shoot me a message, make me an offer on it. We could even deliver within a certain radius there if we need to. So yeah, let me know what you think there. All right, thanks for watching. And this makes somebody a nice trailer there. Just the specs on it, she's got a gross vehicle weight rating of 18,000. You guys see all that? 18,000. She's got 2 10,000-pound axles back there. Actually, they're like 12,200. The way your car goes, she's never. Okay, yeah. That's the tire information. Axles. Yeah, 10,000-pound axles. 2 of those oil bath axles. Yeah, man. So she's good to go there, dude. Somebody give me a call, and we'll hook you up. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you.